What's going on, guys? It's your boy gdwarrior here, and today we are going to adjust the clutch cable. Alright, so the reason why I'm adjusting the clutch cable today is because this little thingy here, the clutch lever or clutch cable adjuster nut broke. I don't know if you can see this right here. It broke off in the housing. I took the part in the housing out and had to get a new one, and the new one is right here. See this baby? So put it in, and now it's time to readjust the cable. So this is a Barnett cable. The reason why I bought this cable is because it's Teflon coated. If you look at here, see right there, this is all Teflon, and it's self-lubricating basically, so you don't have to use cable loop. Okay, so what you want to do is, before you start adjusting your clutch cable, you want to make sure that the adjuster nut is adjusted for maximum cable adjustability first. This is going to be your fine-tuning, okay? So once we fine-tune the thing, we will pull it out, but first we want to get this fixed with the two nuts down here. All right, but before we do that as well, let me show you something else. This is your clutch pull lever. Okay, so what you want to do is, when you go to the service manual, and here, let me show it to you. Pull it up straight on the phone. Where is it? Okay, so right here, this thing has to be in a certain distance, okay, between the what's it called, clutch cable holder right here and the pull lever. All right, first thing you want to make sure is that the shift rod right there in the middle, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, so there is no free play anymore. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the pull lever on here and check the distance. It has to be 1.23 inches, which I got that perfectly. So do this first, and then also you don't forget to reattach the spring. Okay, this spring will pull it back. That's why you pull the shift rod counterclockwise, because once you put the spring in, it will pull it back. You see that? There we go. So what we're gonna do is, I use always like a little wrench or something here to remove that spring. So what you want to do is, yeah, it's back on. There we go. Pull the clutch cable through the clutch cable holder. Make sure you have a nut slack right here. That's why we want this here for maximum adjustability. And now you put this little thingy in here. See, I don't think I have enough slack yet, so let's take the wrenches. You're gonna need two of them, two number 10 wrenches. Here, let me give you guys a little bit more light. And make sure the locking nut is down, and then when you turn it to the left, counterclockwise, actually clockwise, I'm sorry, clockwise, you increase the free play. Okay, so do it this way, and you will increase the free play. See, that's even more now, it's touching my grip. All right, it's inside. So now what you want to do is push this thing down, pull the spring back on. Here it is. So now you got and I got it adjusted right. Now we're gonna put the bolt back in. Pull this down all the way, hold it with your finger. Screw that bolt back in. Okay, so you're gonna torque this thing, okay? 8.7 pounds of torque is what's needed. So I'm gonna do this in a little bit. first I'll just screw it in this way. First I want to show you guys how to adjust the clutch. Alright, see, now it took already off some slack. So we still have free play, but just installing the lever gave us already some resistance. You see that? So let's take 2 wrenches and adjust the free play. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the lower one, the lower nut, and now we're gonna go counterclockwise. This, so I'm gonna go the other way. Okay, see, now we got a good grip already. See that lever? But still, the free play is still too much. So I'm pretty sure I can now adjust most of this free play with the adjuster cable right here. So, oh yeah. Ooh, I can definitely feel the red springs, man. Woo! I got Barnett SR2 red springs in there, and this is tight. Okay, free play is right here. Yeah, light that up here a little bit, zoom in. Clutch free play at the end of the clutch lever, 10 to 15 millimeters. So 0.4 to 0.6 almost. Okay, check it out now. Yep, that's perfect. So this is how much you will have basically. Yeah. If you can see it on. That'll be your free play. Some people have it even less than that. So you will have to adjust and play around. Sit down. Use your riding position. Boom. It grabbed in right there. Bam. Okay. Yeah, you can even hear it just by shifting it. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope this helped. If you have any other tips that I could use, you know, if you saw something that I could maybe improve, tips and tricks, you are more than welcome to post it in the comment section. And if this was of any value to you, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It's your boy GD Warrior. I see you back. Bye bye.